Hello there, it's James from the Clever Car Collection. I don't know why I'm so low, but welcome along. Thank you for coming, because here today I'm going to show you this Volkswagen Polo. Try not to break my knees because it is absolutely fantastic. It's been very well looked after, and in this video I'm going to show you all around it so you can see what to expect when you come here to the low ceiling height Clever Car Collection. Let's take a look. Right, this is our little Volkswagen Polo in a very distinctive chocolate brown colour. I absolutely love this colour. It is very, very standout. It's brown in some cases, bronze in others. It's really, really nice. Anyway, it's got the 1.2-litre petrol engine. It's got a 5-speed manual gearbox and fuel economy on the combined cycle of 51.4 miles per gallon. Now this is a perfect first-time driver's car. It's insurance group 04E. Which is incredibly low, Ulez compliant, and it's got a heady 59 brake horsepower. Now we've got two keys for this. It's got remote central locking, and it's got a nice specification. It will be handed over to its new owner with a 12-month MOT. A new one of those will be given a service, and it will come with a 3-month, 3,000-mile warranty. Now I will show you any marks that I've seen it as we walk around. It is very clean, this car. It hasn't done particularly many miles. I'm just checking my notes, 43,900 miles. And we'll start here at the front end. Couple of minor marks along the front spoiler, but nothing major. The bonnet all looks good. No marks on the headlights. Walking around, it's got alloy wheels, as you can see. They're 15-inch alloys, good tread on the tyres, no marks there on the wing mirror. Walking down the driver's side, a couple of minor scuffs, kind of parking scuffs really, but nothing major. Ever so slight, tiny little mark there. This alloy wheel, good condition. Round the back, I'll show you in the boot, decent size, incredibly clean this car. Good size boot, that split fold rear seats. This alloy wheel also looking good, and working our way down the passenger side of the 3-door model. It's no major marks here. Wing mirror also looking good, and so is this alloy wheel. Now in terms of jumping in, we'll go in the driver's side in a moment, but it's nice and clean inside. As you can see, a really nice interior, this little cup holder for your rear passengers. And very smart interior, comfy seats. Right, let's jump in. Side, as I say, incredibly clean this car. Very, very nice condition. And as you can see there, just 43,000 miles. I'll start it up so you can see there's no warning lights on the dash. Electric windows up front. Central locking, which also remote central locking on the 2 keys that we've got there. The light switches. Nice comfy steering wheel, as you can see, no warning lights, just the handbrake and me not wearing a seatbelt. Over here we've got radio, turn that off, CD player, old school, we like that. You've got aux in just down there, and there's a Bluetooth hands-free kit here. Aftermarket one of those. You've got air conditioning and a 5-speed manual gearbox. 2 cup holders, that's your aux in there, and 12-volt socket. And over there, decent sized glove box and your locking wheel nut. So yeah, a very nice, comfortable interior. Let's have a look at the history. Right, history-wise, I have made a few notes. This car's been well looked after. Previous services in 2013, 2014, 2015, 2016, 2021, 2024, and it will be serviced by our independent workshop ahead of delivery to you. It'll also come with a new 12-month MOT, and you'll get a 3-month, 3,000-mile warranty as standard. But if you want to, you can upgrade that to a 12-month one with our partners warranty-wise. Now, we do offer nationwide delivery with all of our cars. Please get in touch with us for a quote. And while you're online, check out our reviews on Auto Trader and Google. We're very proud of being a 5-star rated business, and that starts with giving people like you fantastic customer service, and that's what we aim to achieve every time we hand over a car here at the Clever Car Collection. Now, if you'd like to see more pictures of this car, lots of them on our website, clevercarcollection.com. And I'm James. If you want to send me an email, it's james@clevercarcollection.com. Hopefully that's answered all your questions. If you've got any more, please get in touch. And if you'd like to give this car a test drive, just give us a shout. I hope this video has been useful. I look forward to seeing you very soon. All the best. Goodbye.